What am I doing in a shower with my drill, no less? Well, you know I do love tools, of course. What I don't like is cleaning. Who likes cleaning? But what if you could combine tools and cleaning? Check this out. This is a scrubber attachment that goes in your drill and makes cleaning super easy and super fun because we get to use our power tools. Okay, so here's the area we are going to be working on. Now there are different heads for different purposes. This one's more for a larger area. This one is for corners, which we'll probably use for here. And I'm going to start with this little guy because we don't have much of an area to work on here. They are all safe to use on tile. They're not going to scratch. The first thing we need to do though is to spray it down with some soap and water and get started. Okay, now for the corners, I think we'll switch to this guy right here. That should take care of it. Okay, let's rinse it off and see how we did. All right. Woo, look at that. It's beautiful. You know, I may do this more often. This is Brian Kelsey from the shower.